welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for regular notifications, like, comment and share with your friends. Today's video will be a vlog to Gold Cinema, Kokrajhar, new movie theater nearby my home. It's my first time in that theater and it's opened just a month ago. I went there with my friends to experience the Gold Cinema for the first time. The movie which was screened at the Gold Cinema was Bharat, a new movie starring Salman Khan as hero and Katrina Kaif as heroine. So let's enjoy the first experience in and out of the theater. It's a beautiful theater. Our town is still developing and it's quite good actually. The place have a good parking space for bikes and cars, and also the cinema paintings on the wall look very good. I especially like the paintings of legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra on the walls. Looks crazy and dope. As you enter, you get a counter for popcorn, food and coke, and the place is fully air-conditioned. That's the first air-conditioned movie theater in my town. The theater that day was houseful because everyone loves Salman Khan movies in India. I couldn't shoot inside the theater as it is not allowed to, but the movie was not bad. It was good and family-friendly movie. It was an emotional action family drama. Overall it was a good experience. That's all for today guys. Subscribe my channel, like and share. See you in the next video. Peace.